Yay, Saturday morning fabrics. I'm going to show you some really beautiful fabrics that are my favorites, and we're going to use them for Monday night. So that's why we're going to put them back up. So this first one, this is just a tablecloth. It's a tablecloth fabric. It's just a polyester, but it's a great muslin. It's a great muslin. It's $4.99 a yard. So we have good quantities on this, and we'll have it, and you know that price won't change. Then we have blue silk, 100% silk. It's just the most beautiful thing that is it's just lovely to touch. It has stretch in both directions. I really put stretch in one direction just because the stretch was not the same, but the drape is just stunning on this. This is our Hermes-like print, just lovely, very Italian, very just pretty. Look at the tassels. It's just very Italian looking to me as I see it. This is our wild animal. Our wild animal has all kinds of animals coming in different directions, just so contemporary. There's animal prints everywhere in the stores. It's just beautiful. This is our Gucci knit. We're going to make a long knee length garment out of this, and they're just very stunning, very popular, and beautiful. Long knit. This is a beautiful 100% viscose Gucci knit. It's gorgeous. I mean, the drape on this is spectacular. And then we have a little bit of mixed reds here. 100% viscose. I love the colors in this. Just beautiful. Blue, all kinds of colors. But that's basically a blue red in base. All right, so you know the goal. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.